Zdrowie. Welcome to Fat Nut Liquor TV YouTube channel diet thing. So, cheers. Today I'm starting my keto diet, and we're gonna unbox the Keto Mojo and Keto Mojo glucose test strips and ketone test strips. As you can see, my belly is pretty big. So I'm gonna keto, and you can watch my progress. So we're gonna start with this. This is gonna be the worst YouTube channel ever. Seriously, I'm just winging it at this point. It's my first episode. So unboxing. There's like 17 Keto Mojo unboxing videos already on YouTube. So here's the machine. 205. So it's like an hour behind daylight savings, but gonna unwrap it. And for another. We're gonna I think the batteries might be dead. This might have to wait another day because I was gonna do this vlog a couple of years ago, and it took a while. Okay, I think I gotta work it. And it came with these Fujitsu batteries. This should be good now, I think. This is just my first try, but I think I might be getting the hang of this YouTube stuff. Tips. I'm still trying to figure this shit out. Keto Mojo, buy it with my links or something. I can't adult right now, but I'm gonna start my diet. You believe me? When I figure this out, we're gonna test my glucose and my ketones, and then we'll start from there. So, episode 1, Keto Mojo, unboxed. Well, we're gonna figure it out. Episode 2.